Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save passwords in 1Password. So if you have any password credentials or so that you want to save, click on the 1Password extension and click on the plus on the upper right. Here you'll have the option to either, let's say, migrate it into 1Password, or you can click and create one new item and you can select password. And so it's going to open up a new page that's going to take you into your account. And from here, you want to select password. And I want to say that password and logins are pretty much the same fields that are recommended to you. So you could choose anyone. And so let's say I want to say this is going to be a test password. And for the username, I'm going to just say the username is test. And so the password, I'm going to just make up something right here. And yeah, you can add the website that could be www.test, for example.com, for example, yeah? And click on save. Now, before you click on save, I want to recommend that you check the vault that you have here. Currently, by default, it will set to the private vault, but you can change the vault or create new vaults. You'll be able to choose those vaults where you want to save those passwords. I'm going to use the test one as an option and click and save. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, once you're ready, you can visit the website and you'll be able to pull and draw from those credentials or logins that you saved and use them to quickly log in into those different websites. And of course, you can always view your vaults once you're in 1Password. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on your account or just simply visit 1Password and you'll be able to access your vaults and you will be able to see. As you can see here, I have test password vault here on the left side, and as you can see, I have three. This is the test password and I can see the details and so forth. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.